Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, all signs. So this is your message and energy check-ins and prediction kung meron, no? So yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And yes, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. And kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, you can message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay? And yes, kung gusto nyo mag-try na magpa-reading naman sa aking friend, pwede mo siyang i-message sa kanya pong FB page, no? Si Perception of Light. Okay? So, hindi ko makita yung aking papel. Kaya, yun na lang. Perception of Light, no? Ganun po talaga yung spell. No? Okay, spell. Oo, ganun po. So, and yeah, regarding sa ating bracelet, yes, this is available always, no, in red and black. Okay, so this is the all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet. So, meron siya pagdating sa kaperahan, sa protection, sa health, sa love, and sa healing. Okay, so meron din siyang ilalagay natin na initial ng inyong name. Okay, so syempre. So, yeah, kung may tanong po, no, message lang sa atin pong FB page, ha? O, ang dami ko nakikita nagko-comment, magkano ganyan, ganun. Okay? Ano pong meron, o, 'di ba? Sa ano lang po, ha? Okay, sa ang tawag diyan, sa FB page, mag-message na lang po kayo doon. Okay, hindi ko kayo masasagot doon sa comment section lahat. Oo, sabay-sabay, o, 'di ba? Hirap na nga tayo sa PM, o, 'di ba? Okay. So, all signs. Okay, air signs muna tayo. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Anong meron? Anong message for you, air signs? Okay. Okay. So, the Four of Wands. Okay, so some of you may okasyon. No, may mga gaganaping okasyon. Get together. Get together. Oo. The Four of Wands, the Eight of Pentacles, Universe. Yung iba rito may a-absent dahil may pupuntahan. Legit yun. Legit. Ha? Okay. Parang meron ditong, okay, absent muna ako kasi may pupuntahan akong something yan, mga ganyan, no? So, some of you, ngayon nga, parang walang pasok today. Oo. Pwedeng may gagawin, no, sa school, no, walang pasok, pwedeng may gagawin, tas yun, agenda, 'di ba? Okay, the Queen of Pentacles in reverse, the Knight of Swords in reverse. Okay, so ano to, kasi parang meron kayong tatanggihan dito, tatanggihan na gawin, iba sa inyo, ha. Nandyan yung arguments nyo with your kids. Oo. Bakit ganyan? Parang utusan mo pero hindi susunod. I don't know. Okay, napakasimpleng energy nito pero kailangan kong sabihin, no? The Nine of Wands in reverse, the Judgment in reverse. Meron ditong hindi mapapayagan. Yes. I don't know. In general, meron ditong hindi mapapayagan. May mari-reject. May mag-e-end. Some of you. Merong hindi pupuntahan today. Last minute. Or bukas. Meron ditong hindi na makikipag-usap. A Scorpio, air, earth. Meron ditong nakikibagay lang, nakikisama. Some of you, pagdating sa stability mo, air sign, ang daming hindi sang-ayon or hindi sumasang-ayon. Okay? Pero go lang. Kung anong gusto mo. Kung pagdating naman sa yung stability, 'di ba? Pero yun nga, may mga ang tawag diyan, nakapalibot sa iyo na hindi magandang energy. Cleanse, oo, mag-cleanse ka, ang tawag dito, mag linis-linis, oo, sa bahay, mga ganyan. Okay, oo. Sasali din ako doon. So, yan ang aking reading for you, air signs. Okay, so, next. Fire signs. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Ano ang message for you? Fire signs. Okay. Nagkape na ba kayo? Oo, 'di ba? Excuse me naman. Oo, napaubo tayo. So, fire signs. 'Di ba ang aga? Okay. So, anong meron for fire signs? Strength. Oh, si Leo is present. Ang aga ni Leo. Anong meron? Okay. Six of Swords in reverse. Oh, meron ditong delay. Okay, pasensya na po ha sa naubo. Yung kapatid ko yun. Lagi naman. Okay. Strength. The Six of Swords. Parang meron ditong napigil. May pumipigil sa'yo, Leo, sa pag-usad. Which is, pwedeng ikaw rin yung dahilan ng hindi mo pag-usad. Ha? Some of you, ikaw yung gumagawa ng hadlang sa mga gusto mong gawin. Okay, in general. Yeah, the Page of Wands, may mga gustong simulan. Okay? Yeah, the Four of Pentacles. But you're like, okay, hindi ko kaya to or whatsoever. Bitawan ko na, drop ko na to. Like that, no? So, iba sa inyo, merong mga pamibilihin. I don't know kung ano. Alam nga naman sabihin ko pa kung pamimilihin. No? Oo. So, parang may panimula ditong gagawin. I don't know if some of you is going to start a business. Okay, may pag-start ng business dito. Yung iba sa inyo, merong, ito ha, may nag-close na business pero sisimulan again. Like that. Okay? Yeah. Changes. Okay, so, I think, kung meron kang gustong simulan again or buksan again na kung ano mang ano yan, like business, kailangan ng pagbabago, no? Hindi yung pwede yung kung ano yung dati mo, yun pa rin. Siyempre, para magkaroon ng bagong frequency or vibration or energy yung gagawin mo. Ha? Para makita mo rin kung anong meron, kung anong magiging result. Okay? Yeah, the Eight of Wands. So, this is action. You need to take action in some kind of, in some situation na kailangan. Kasi, oo, parang pinigil mo na to. Some of you talagang namahinga ka lang din, no? So, yeah, I'm here again like that. Pero iba na yung pasabog, iba na yung pakulo, no? So, in general, if ever na mayroon kang in-end or mayroon kang in-stop before, kung susubukan mo ulit, dapat mayroon ng panibagong makikita sa'yo. Okay, fire signs. So, yeah. Yeah, someone is, sabihin natin, meron din ditong energy na may mga gustong makipag-usap, a fire sign like you, earth sign, so, air sign is here din. Yeah. So, I think, andito yung casual to, sabihin nating flirt, mga ganyan, oo. Okay, so, wag kang maging, sabihin nating open agad, kasi, I don't know, you need to hold back emotions. For some of you, lalo na si Leo. Okay? So, there. Next is water signs. So, water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay, so, how are you? O, yan. Okay. Anong meron sa mga water signs? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Anong meron? Oops. Okay. Okay. Water signs. Four of Swords. Okay, so that's energy ng pag-iisip. Excuse me. Pagpapahinga, mga ganyan. Not talking, being silent, no? Someone is like silent sa pagbibigay ng offer. Some of you need to think first bago kayo tumanggap ng offer, bago kayo magbigay ng offer, like that, no? Okay? So, hindi mo kailangang madaliin, okay? Yung mga pagdedesisyon dito. Ha? Some of you needs to take sabihin nating pahinga, rest. Needs to rest, no? Iba sa inyo may chance na merong sabihin nating as simple as may sakit, no? So need na mag-rest. Yeah. I don't know kung iba sa inyo masama na yung pakiramdam. Okay? Sipon, ubo, mga ganyan. Okay? Oh, the 3 of Swords. From 4 of Swords to 3 of Swords. What are you thinking? Why are you overthinking? Some of you, you're overthinking. The 4 of Pentacles in reverse. Meron dito nakukonsensya. An air sign, earth. Meron dito nakukonsensya. Or pwedeng kayo itong nakukonsensya sa isang air sign or earth sign. Yung parang hindi mo nagagawa yung mga responsibilities or hindi mo na ibibigay yung dapat na ibigay sa kanila. Pwedeng vice versa. Okay, water signs. Yeah, the King of Pentacles in reverse. Someone is too irresponsible. Meron ditong parang nasasaktan. Capricorn, to be specific. Or pwedeng kayo yung nasasaktan ng Capricorn na to. You're thinking of them always. 4 plus 3, 7 of Swords. Some of you, you're being sneaky, or even though you're silent, nandyan ka, lurking around like that. No, like, parang parang kang nag-i-stalk, nag-i-spy sa kung kanino. No? Yeah, pwede, some of you, nagkaroon kayo ng miss opportunity, no, ng taong ito. Miss opportunity. Pwede vice versa, siya yung ganito sa'yo. Don't worry, naman. Yeah, the King of Cups. Oh, there's emotion. There's love. Some of you, same gender kayo. Yung iba rito nasa third party. May third party, kaya parang, okay, kailangan kong bitawan to. Kasi hindi pwede. Pero you're actually, thinking, no? Araw-araw. Miat-miat sa taong to. Yeah, some of you have it, emotion still for them, no? Okay, the King of Cups. Ang hirap nito, water sign. You're like sacrificing. Okay, some of you meron kang dahilan kung bakit ganyan nga, like pinipili mo lang kung ano yung dapat, no? Even though masakit, mahirap sa'yo, and kahit ayaw mo, yeah, you need to do, no? So there. Okay. Oops. Naaral ko pa kung anong meron dito. Kasi parang meron pa siyang gustong sabihin. Meron pang gustong sabihin yung cards. Meron ayaw niya mag-sync. Ayaw mag-sync, oo. So, next is earth sign. Okay. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Diba ang aga? Earth signs. Kumusta ka? Anong message for you? Energy check-ins and predictions. Okay. Earth signs. How are the earth signs? Okay. Okay, so first is the emperor. Okay. Emperor. Rule. Manage. Decision. Some of you may ego. Ego. The magician. Some of you may chance na makausap mo si boss today or tomorrow. Okay? A decision ang nakikita ko rin dito. Conversation. Okay? With a person na sabihin nating kayang mag-rule. Okay? Iba dito, magmamanifest yung something na gusto mo. Okay? In general, meron ditong tawag dyan. Excuse me. Meron ditong parang managing, nakaakibat. Okay? So, I think this is like business. No? Death in reverse. Yeah, the Four of Wands. Ooh. Okay, so parang nakikita ko dito is grind. Grind, grind, grind. Work, work, work. Parang ganyan. Okay? For the stability. Ganyan. Okay, so some of you, merong situation dito, parang hindi mag-end. Ayaw matapos. Pero yeah, this is nice. This is nice. Kung anong meron ngayon, sabihin natin if you're working, pero ang nakikita mo ay, sabihin natin, okay, tama lang yung pasok ng pera mo in general or what, no? Magpapatuloy. Okay, magpapatuloy siya. Strength in reverse. Yeah, this is nice. I don't know kung kanino kong nabasa yung last na sabi ko, magkakapera ka kahit hindi ka mag-work masyado, lalo na in the future. Ito yun. I don't know kung ikaw ba yun, earth sign. Okay? Kahit hindi ka gumaod ng masyado, lalo na in the future, nandyan. The Nine of Cups, see, this is nice. The Magician, the Four of Wands, the Nine of Cups, wow! Eh di ikaw na, no? I-claim mo. Ang ganda nun. No, it's like, lahat ng minanifest mo pagdating sa sarili mo, pero nilagyan mo rin ng effort na hindi mo hinayaan na nag-manifest ka lang. Lahat mangyayari in the near future for you. Okay, for you. Kung sino ka man, yung hindi mo hinayaan na okay, manifest lang ako pero wala akong gagawin, sana ganto, sana ganyan, ay hindi ka kasali dun. Oo, hindi. Nang nakikita ko rito is yung person na talagang grind lang ng grind, effort lang ng effort, okay, kahit kung ano mangyari dito, parang cycle na to, hindi ako mapapagod dito kasi, yeah, nandun yung mindset, no? Nandun yung frequency. Yung vibration ay binabato mo. You're working. Some of you, masaya ka sa ginagawa mo. And yeah, in the near future, ang ganda. Okay? The Nine of Cups is an energy of wish fulfillment. Okay? Wish fulfillment. Tapos nandito si strength, pero naka-reverse. Meaning, kahit hindi mo gawa ng effort. Okay, kahit hindi mo gawa ng effort, some of you, sabihin nating, as simple as, magkakaroon ng parang promotion, no, yung iba rito. Oo, pwedeng hindi ka aware na nasa listahan ka na ng ipopromote. Okay, specific yon ha. Some of you, minamanifest mong bahay in the near future, makukuha mo. Minamanifest mong magandang buhay in the near future, makukuha mo. Makukuha mo. Claim it. Ang ganda nito. Okay. See? This is nice. This is all nice. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading. So, i-close natin yan, ibigay na natin yan sa mga earth sign, syempre, no? Okay, so there. Okay, ang ating reading for you all signs. So, thank you. Bye!